Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this replacement: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the screen and LCD cover. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Also, remove any connected devices. Next, if you are using the anti-static wrist strap, attach it to your wrist and connect the other end to a grounded surface to avoid static damage to your components. Now, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Use the Phillips No. 0 screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back cover. There are typically 10 screws, keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently pry the back cover off using the plastic spudger. Be careful not to damage the clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover removed, locate the battery. Disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it out of its socket. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the replacement. Next, locate the screen assembly. You will need to remove the screws securing the LCD panel. Typically, there are 4 screws on the corners of the screen. Make sure you keep these screws organized for reinstallation. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any hidden screws or clips that may still be attached. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the screen from the base. It may be attached with adhesive, so use the plastic spudger to carefully separate it from the frame. If you're not comfortable performing this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, take your new screen and align it carefully with the hinges and connectors. Before securing it, ensure the display cable is properly connected to the motherboard. If you don't have the tools for this job, keep in mind we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process easier for you. After connecting the display cable, secure the new screen with the screws you previously removed. Make sure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening as it could damage the panel. Next, let's clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the interior, especially around the fan and vents. This will help maintain optimal performance and cooling for your laptop. Now, reattach the battery connector and place the back cover back on. Secure it with the screws you had set aside earlier. Ensure all clips are snapped into place and the cover is firmly attached. Lastly, power on your laptop to test the new screen. If it powers up correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen and LCD cover on your HP 13 ay0002ns. If you face any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This concludes our tutorial on replacing the screen and LCD cover. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.